Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your REALME GT Neo 5. So first, let's start off by cleaning your microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So grab a non-metallic tool that you have and basically try and clean it. You guys can try to use compressed air, soft brushes, but remember nothing that is metallic because you can only damage the port. So then what you guys can do is, when you're here, you guys can check the recorder app. So if it's not installed by default, it should be, but if it isn't, then you guys can download it. Now here, let's click allow, and here we can test our microphone. So as you guys can see, it's working perfectly fine. Now here we can either cancel or save to check the quality too. Now what we can do next is we can update the software to fix any mic glitches. So go to settings. Now here, let's scroll a bit down until we see the system and update. It's almost at the bottom. And now, right up top, we will have the software update. Let's click it, and it will check for updates automatically, but you only need to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or any other network. Cellular also works. So after that, if nothing else worked, then it might be the issue of your hardware, and you might want to get that checked out by a professional technician and not me. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.